slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RepKicks back here once again, and today we're taking a look at these Nike. Alright, what is up guys? RepKicks back here once again, and today we're going to be looking at these Nike Dunk lows in this white rose color or whatever it's called. I'll put it in the title of the video obviously, but yeah, anyways, let's get right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications, all that good stuff if you like what you see, of course. And just a little disclaimer, I don't condone buying any of the stuff on the channel. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. With that out of the way, let's get right into it, man. These took about 2 weeks to get here, give or take. Double box, bubble wrapped, all that stuff. And yeah, that's basically it. So we're gonna dive right in. So this is the website, email, WeChat, and if you use the code stuff, you can save yourself $15 site-wide, so keep that in mind. I did get a new phone, so I don't know how the quality is going to be. I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so yeah. Anyways, here are the shoes. We're going to throw them to the side. Check out the box right here. White Rose Whisper I guess it's called. These are obviously not for me because they're way too small. So this is the box that came in though, nothing crazy going on. You got your paper in there, and yeah, that's basically all that was included in there. To be fair though, they are kind of like a regular release, just a little bit more on the low, you know what I mean? So yeah, here are the shoes themselves in hand. You can see quality is good. You got that white rose or whatever it was called, I forgot already whatever it was called, but got that rose color all throughout the shoe. Really clean. Oh, I don't know what the hell I just did there, but yeah, really clean. Oh, okay. Yeah, this new camera is gonna take some getting used to. So but yeah, nothing crazy. Quality seems really good as per usual. Again, I don't know why it's doing that, but bear with me guys, new camera. So color is actually really nice. It's almost iridescent up close, but yeah, man. Does come with 2 sets of laces. Of course, you got the rose one there and a set of white laces also. Not gonna take anything out. I mean, you guys know the drill with that. You got this Nike branding here. Size tag is probably, yeah, it's like down there. So I don't know how well y'all be able to see that, but it's there. It's there. Yeah. So overall, the shoe is clean all around. Stitching, all that stuff. Super clean, super crisp all around the shoe. So that's the right shoe there. Left shoe here, same thing. So really no paint bleeding, which is nice. Just a really clean shoe. The quality on this phone camera is actually really good. It just keeps auto or as I'm focusing and stuff, it just keeps going in and out, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, overall really clean. Nothing wrong with the shoe. Got the Nike sign printed on the insole there. Kind of almost has like a makeup-y vibe to the color, so it's definitely, I'd say these are a little bit more feminine. I mean, any gender can rock them really, but definitely a little bit more feminine for sure. But you can see the overall quality is crisp. It's nice that I got this camera as well. Really shows you what you're looking at if you buy things from the websites I review. So yeah, man, that's basically it. Not gonna take too much time out of y'all's day to watch this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, as per usual. You know, these are Nike Dunk lows, and I already forgot the color, the white rose color, whatever it is. But yeah, if you guys like the video, you want to see some more quick videos like this, quick reviews, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications. Hopefully the stabilization is really good, because it's kind of looking a little shaky, but bear with me as I get used to this new camera. Anyways guys, without that, all that out of the way, hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of your day, night, morning, whatever time it is. Show some love to your channel if you like what you see, of course. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna let y'all go. Enjoy your day. Take care. Catch me in the next one.